Ben, and welcome back to Ben at the Bar. We're at Roslyn Diggs in Roslyn, Washington, an awesome Airbnb, working with Heritage Spirits, which is right down the road here. To head on in there for a great tasting. One of my favorite cocktails is an Aperol Spritz. So easy. I mean, Aperol and soda. You can judge how much bitter you want with the Aperol, with the soda. Add a little lime if you'd like. So easy, but we are going to spin that a little bit because we have this wonderful ruby red grapefruit vodka that Heritage has provided. So we're going to make a ruby red grapefruit Aperol Spritz. So yeah, here we go. We're going to use that. We're going to use our Aperol, and I'm going to add just a little bit of Saint Germain in there. Just to give it a little bit of sweetness, and works well, really well with the grapefruit. So first and foremost, we're gonna get our jigger. We're gonna do our 2 ounces, as we like to say. Taste the base of the vodka. Goes right into our jigger. And then we're gonna take our Aperol, and we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of the Aperol. Right into there. Then we're going to go with, as I said, Saint Germain. Add a little bit of the elderflower liqueur, a little bit of sweetness. We're going to do about a 1/2 ounce of that. And then I'm going to add some lemon juice, but I forgot to bring it out. So I'm going to grab some lemon juice real quick. Got my lemon juice. So we're going to about a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice right into there. Coming in for this shake. Love this copper Viski barware. It is phenomenal, so beautiful. You just look online anywhere, Instagram. I mean, copper is just a hot thing right now, and it is such beautiful barware. This is a gin and tonic glass, but I just absolutely love the shape. It can be used for so many things. It's also from Viski. Such a beautiful glass. Got a big clear cube in here, so we're gonna come in. How beautiful is that color? Just love that color. So we're gonna do that. Now we're gonna come over with a little bit of Q soda water. Love that. Come over the top of that. Take our little grapefruit slice, stick it in there next to the glass, and there we have it, the ruby red grapefruit Aperol Spritz. I mean, it's just gonna take you right back to Italy. So refreshing, so lovely on a warm, or rather hot, as it is here, summer day. Cheers.